Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video of Dope Trades. My name is Deepak and we will be taking a 5-minute trade on IQ option with the help of a very simple price action strategy. And along with that, we will also be testing a new 1-minute trading strategy. So if you're new to the channel, please consider hitting the subscription button and also do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on our daily updates. And if you're liking the channel, please consider giving it a thumbs up. It will mean a lot to me. It will motivate me to do more videos. So that is it guys. Without any further ado, let's get started.
Hey guys, we are now live on IQ options, and we're just not live on Euro USD. We're also live on other markets. However, these were the markets that I was trying out yesterday. And something else, if you notice, is that I've also added a Bollinger Band to my chart. So let's see what is happening in the market. What's happening in the Euro USD? Let's see. The Euro USD has a good volume and is strongly moving in the downward direction. So we have an opportunity here to take a trade in the downward direction. So let's just wait. So let's draw some horizontal levels. This should be a good strong level. As you can see, the market getting rejected by that level. Okay, this is digital. Need to open binary. Let me just clear all this for a moment. $500, and yes, we do have an opportunity here to take a trade in the downward direction. You can see the market is breaking down very strongly. This is a strong breakout, and I believe it's not a good position to enter for a 5-minute trade. As you can see, such a huge candle, and there needs to be some kind of retracement, and in the next 5 minutes we will definitely see some retracement. So what I'm going to do is I'll draw some key resistance support levels, and I will skip forward the video so that I'll save your time, and also I will explain you once I take the trades. Hey guys, I've taken a 5-minute trade over here in the upward direction, and the reason I did that is the trend is uptrend, and the market hit this support level and has started taking support in the and is starting to move in the upward direction. However, the next resistance level is not too far, it's right here, but let's just see how the trade goes, because I believe the market can create a new higher high and continue moving in the upward direction. And guys, we have won this trade with 5 green candles. So after a long losing streak, we have finally made a turnaround with the trade, and I was pretty much confident about the setup. Let me just explain. As you can see, the market was clearly in an uptrend, and like I said yesterday, today's lesson, what was it? That we do not go against the trend. And this was the uptrend, and this was the retracement phase, and as you can see, this was the trend support resistance level for the downward direction, and this was the horizontal support, because this is, as you can see, let me just explain. So the market started forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high and a lower high. The market formed a higher high but formed a low below previous market's previous higher low. So this is a lower high, and after that you can see the market tried moving in the upward direction, got rejected from this level. So this was a strong resistance level, and the market formed another lower low. So this is a higher low, this is a lower low, this is a lower high, and this is another lower low. So and but I was confident that market, like I said, the market would get support from this level and move in the upward direction. So I had drawn some levels over here, and as you can see, the market hit this level and is now continuing to move in the upward direction. So the first confirmation was the market was in our favor, the uptrend. So we went in the favor of the market, because market will never favor us. We are somebody who's going to be in favor with the market. So one was that, to take an up call, the market is an uptrend, and the support level was confirmed that the buyers are present here and was showing good momentum in the green candlestick, bullish candlesticks. And third, the trend resistance line was broken, and also you can see this large green candlestick, which gave us the confirmation that the buyers are willing to move the market now. And then as the next resistance level was here, the higher high, so we had good enough room for the market to breathe for the next 5 minutes. So that's the reason why I took this trade. So we had 4 confirmations. Let me repeat that once again. 1 was the trend, 2 was the market was going in a retracement phase and took this support level. Second was the support level confirmation. The third is the trend resistance breakout, and the fourth is the candlestick pattern. So all together, all the 4 confirmations were in our favor, and that's the reason why I took this up trade. However, we are done with the 5-minute trade. Now I will be taking maybe few 1-minute trades, because I'm testing a new strategy which I will not be taking for 500 rupees. I'll just be testing the strategy out for 50 rupees. I would also suggest everyone who's watching this video, if you're new to trading and if you're still working on your strategy setup, and if you still haven't built a trading mindset yet, I advise you all to trade with small amount, because not with demo account. One of the reason is because when you trade with demo account, your emotions will not be involved. You will not have any kind of real emotions involved when you're trading with demo account, and you will be 100% confident, because even if you lose, it's not going to make any difference to you. But when it comes to real money, yes, it will matter, because you are losing some money of yours which you might have hard earned it, or your parents might have let you borrow it. So trade with real money, so that you have emotions involved while you're trading, which needs to become stronger and stronger as you continue trading to become a successful, profitable trader. So my advice would be to take a smaller amount, so that even if you lose, you will still have a lot of money left to trade with. So that is it, guys. That is it for the recording session. I guess I've taken 3 1-minute trades and 1 5-minute trade, and I will be taking another 7 1-minute trades. Let me know if you guys are okay watching the entire video. I can upload it, it's not a problem for me. So that is it for the trading session, guys. Thank you for being around, and hope this strategy is making sense to you. So that is it, guys. Thank you for being around. I wish you all a good day, Sunday. Goodbye.